We at DSV are always looking into how to innovate, how to develop, and how to move our logistics services forward. And today, I'm really excited to introduce our next innovation, which is the drone and drone deliveries. With that, we are able to bring to you delivery option for faster, safer, and more predictable deliveries when it comes to time-critical shipments.
Drones is super exciting for DSV because we offer a way better logistics service than we are able to do now. And drones offer a shorter service level for our customers and more efficiency for our customers. And furthermore, we're also reducing our CO2 emissions in DSV.
The most exciting thing in the future with this technology is the scalability. We are onboarding drones that we are able to fly, for example, more drones on one pilot at a time, lowering costs. We are also lowering the time for permits significantly and also the implementation time. Our manufacturers are also getting better at manufacturing the drones, so that timeline is also shortening. So I think as a collective answer to this is the timeline to actually get operational is shortening significantly, which is making this scalable and commercially viable, to say it short.